Dude, this show sucks.
Why are we even watching it?
There's nothing on TV. There's nothing good on TV.
There's nothing good on TV these days.
No one puts anything good on TV.
I know, seriously, we should probably...
This is pissing me off.
We need to make a movie.
This is just pissing me off.
Is it pissing you
We
off?
should just go.
We should put a movie on TV.
Why don't we just kill this thing, man?
Why don't we kill it?
Let's kill it.
Let's do it. Oh. Are you ready? Yeah! I wanna kiss you every minute, every hour, every day. Oh yeah. You got me in a spin. Alright, give me one. Yeah! Touching you, touching me. Together. Touching you. Good one.
This has been a Cheese 12 production.